कौन सा प्रोडक्ट है जो हम सब खरीदते तो हैं बट यूज ना करने की दुआ करते हैं? डोंट कीप गेसिंग, इट्स हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस। वी बाय इट होपिंग हम कभी यूज ना करें, बट जब रात को 3 बजे किसी अपने की सर्जरी होती है, दैट्स द रियल टेस्ट। सो टुडे आई एम एट HDFC ERGO's headquarters in Mumbai, and I'm here for an Ask Me Anything on health claims. Today, we will be joined by Mr. Atul Gujrati, who is a Joint President Claims at HDFC ERGO.
Hi Srushti, welcome to HDFC ERGO.
Thank you for having me. HDFC ERGO ने last 15 years में 21,700 crore के claims पे किए हैं. For a customer, how does this really impact?
सोचिए एक आदमी जिसकी एनुअल इनकम 5 लाख हो और उसको 10 या 15 लाख का हॉस्पिटल बिल भरना पड़ता है. He runs out of his savings, the lifetime savings. HDFC ERGO in the last 15 years has settled 48 lakhs claims worth 21,700 crores. This means we've been able to support in emergency to those families when it was needed the most.
Okay, so these numbers actually translate into impact for the families.
You are right.
Okay, so चलिए next question पे चलते हैं. HDFC ERGO का claims payout ratio is 97.5%, which means 100 में से 97 से भी ज़्यादा claims पे किए हैं. As a customer, what does this mean?
For an insurer, claim is the product and claim is the ultimate moment of truth. जब हम claim pay करते हैं तभी हम customer के कसौटी पे खरे उतरते हैं. We approximately receive 12 lakh claims per annum. हम 97.5% claims pay करते हैं, which is peace of mind to the customer. We stand beside the customers when he needs it most.
This definitely builds confidence for anyone to buy HDFC ERGO's health insurance policy.
Yes.
अब एक और statistic जिसने मुझे बहुत surprise किया. HDFC ERGO settles 7 insurance claims every 1 minute. What does that feel like in an emergency to a customer?
We are the digital first general insurance company operating at a large scale. Our systems are powered by artificial intelligence, processing thousands of claims on a daily basis. और जहाँ तक के कैशलेस प्री ऑथराइजेशन की बात है, वो तो एवरेज 22 मिनट में हर कस्टमर को मिल जाता है. Because in emergency, every minute counts, and our systems ensure that we are approving those claims on a faster basis.
That's reassuring, especially in the moments where every minute counts. कई लोगों ने मुझे DM में ये क्वेश्चन पूछा है कि कई हॉस्पिटल्स डिस्चार्ज में डिले करते हैं because there is something pending at the insurer's end. So क्या HDFC ERGO में भी ऐसा कुछ?
नहीं, HDFC ERGO ने कस्टमर के कन्वीनियंस के लिए अर्ली डिस्चार्ज अप्रूवल इंट्रोड्यूस किया है, जिसमें हम हॉस्पिटल को एक दिन पहले ही डिस्चार्ज अप्रूव कर देते हैं, जिसकी वजह से एट द टाइम ऑफ डिस्चार्ज कस्टमर नीड नॉट वेट एंड फोकस ऑन हिज रिकवरी.
This is really some good work by HDFC ERGO. But what about customers जिनको prolonged treatment या फिर repeated treatments लेना पड़ता है like dialysis, chemotherapy, etc. उनको हर बार paper work भी करना पड़ता है. What is HDFC ERGO doing in this regards?
बिल्कुल, HDFC ERGO offers one-time approval for all such treatments and procedures for chronic illness, wherein we approve it one time and customers can continue to take the treatment at his convenience every time he goes to the hospital. So he need not do the paperwork every time he goes to the hospital.
That genuinely simplifies long-term treatment journeys for customers.
So it's not just about buying a policy. It's about choosing a partner whom you can trust for life.
And today's AMA proves that at HDFC ERGO, numbers don't just talk, they truly stand by you.